Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Netflix viewing preferences, personalization guide step by step clearly. Open Netflix on your phone, tablet, computer, or smart TV. Sign in to the profile you want to personalize, because each profile has separate recommendations. If you are on a TV, use your phone or computer for the next steps because account settings are easier there. On a computer, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account to open your Netflix account page. Scroll to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Find the exact profile name you want to adjust and click it to expand the options. Click Viewing Activity to see what Netflix has tracked for that profile. Review the list and identify any titles that do not match your real interests. Click the hide icon next to a title to remove it from your viewing history influence. If you want to remove a whole series, choose the option to hide the entire series after hiding one episode. Wait a short moment for Netflix to apply the changes across devices. Go back to the Profile and Parental Controls section for the same profile. Click Ratings to check how your likes and dislikes affect recommendations. Rate a few shows you truly enjoy to teach Netflix what to suggest more often. Remove or update ratings for titles you no longer want influencing your feed, if that option appears. Return again to the Profile Settings area on the account page. Click Playback Settings to control how Netflix plays content for this profile. Set your preferred data usage level if you watch on mobile data or have limited bandwidth. Turn autoplay controls on or off depending on whether you want previews and next episodes to start automatically. Now open Netflix and go to the home screen to let recommendations refresh over time. Use the Search tab to find a few titles you actually like and watch a couple of minutes of each. Add preferred titles to my list so Netflix recognizes your intent and taste. Avoid leaving unwanted content playing, because it can shift recommendations. If other people use your profile, create a new profile for them to keep your recommendations accurate. Check the Continue Watching row and remove items you do not want to continue if the option is available on your device. Repeat the viewing activity cleanup whenever your recommendations start to feel off. Give Netflix some time after changes, because personalization updates gradually as you watch and rate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.